Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I'm Karen from K-Hair. Today we are diving into the amazing world of hair extension and wigs. I'm excited to break down some important terminology you need to know in the hair industry, and I will share the pros and cons of each type. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about tape hair. This type of hair extension is attached to your natural hair using a thin medical tape. The great thing about tape hair is that it's really gentle on your natural hair and it can be easily removed without causing any damage. In terms of advantages, it's gentle on your hair, so you don't have to worry about any damage. Plus, it's super easy to take out when you need to. However, it doesn't last forever. Typically, you need to reapply it every 6 to 8 weeks. And remember, you need to be careful when waxing and styling to keep it looking good. Next up is tip hair. This includes styles like U-tip, E-tip, V-tip, and flat tip. These extensions have a pointed and made of glue or plastic bits and are attached using specialized tools. In the terms of advantages, the best part is they can stay in for several months if you take care of them. They also blend really well with your natural hair, giving you a seamless look. But they have some problems. You need a professional for application. If you don't remove them properly, they can actually damage your natural hair, so be cautious. Now, let's chat about ponytail extension. It is perfect for adding length or volume to a ponytail hairstyle and is usually temporary, which makes it super easy to apply and remove. About the advantages, you can get instant volume, which is fantastic for quick style upgrade. And the best part, you don't need any professional help. Great for those last-minute changes. But remember, this is a temporary solution, not ideal for long-term wear. Plus, it's mainly used for ponytail style, so your options are a bit limited. Moving on to clip-ins. These are extensions with small clips attached, making it super easy to add length or volume to your hair whenever you want. In the terms of advantages, they are super convenient. You can quickly apply and remove them as needed. And they are versatile too. You can style and reuse them multiple times. However, just a heads up, they can slip out if not clipped properly, so they are not the best for long wear. You might want to avoid wearing them all day. Next up is bug hair. This is unprocessed hair that isn't bundled or attached to any specific structure. It's often used for various hairstyles or wefts. About the pros, the cool thing about bug hair is that you can customize it and style it however you want. It's perfect for making wigs or sewing, giving you lots of creative freedom. But be warned, it requires some skill to create style effectively. Plus, working with loose hair can be a bit more effort compared to pre-bundle options. And there you have it, a breakdown of extension hair industry terms along with hair benefits and drawbacks. If you are considering hair extension or wigs, make sure to weigh these factors carefully. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to contact me, Carol, to have a beautiful hair. See you in the next video. Bye bye.